Break the ice. Meaning: start a conversation. Example: I told a joke to break the ice at the party. Piece of cake. Meaning: very easy. Example: the test was a piece of cake. Hit the books. Meaning: study hard. Example: I need to hit the books tonight. Under the weather. Meaning: feeling sick. Example: I'm feeling under the weather today. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning: very expensive. Example: that laptop costs an arm and a leg. Once in a blue moon. Meaning: very rarely. Example: I eat fast food once in a blue moon. Spill the beans. Meaning: reveal a secret. Example: don't spill the beans about the surprise party. Bite the bullet. Meaning: to do something difficult or unpleasant. Example: I'll bite the bullet and start my homework. Call it a day. Meaning: stop working. Example: let's call it a day and go home. Cut corners. Meaning: do something quickly, carelessly. Example: don't cut corners on your project. Hang in there. Meaning: don't give up. Example: hang in there. You're almost done. Hit the sack. Meaning: go to sleep. Example: I'm tired, time to hit the sack. Up in the air. Meaning: uncertain, not decided yet. Example: our plans are still up in the air. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning: reveal a secret. Example: she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. On the ball. meaning alert, quick to understand. Example: she's really on the ball in class. In hot water, meaning in trouble. Example: he's in hot water after telling a lie. Pull someone's leg, meaning joke with someone. Example: stop pulling my leg. Burn the midnight oil, meaning work late at night. Example: I burned the midnight oil to finish my essay. A blessing in disguise, meaning something that seems bad at first but turns out good. Example: missing the bus was a blessing in disguise. On cloud nine, meaning very happy. Example: she's on cloud nine because she passed the exam.